Cash crops, રોકડિયા પાક. Cotton. Cotton is a kharif crop grown in the monsoon season and holding an important place as a cash crop in our state Gujarat. At world level, our country India is at the second place in the production of cotton as well as in usage and export. Cotton without seed is obtained from the cotton plant, and this cotton is known as white gold in India. Besides, we are also using cotton seed to prepare edible oil, and the oil core are used as animal food. The requirement for this cotton crop, we require black lava soil which can retain the humidity for a longer period. The soil which has plenty of mineral contents. The areas which have hot and humid climate between 25 to 35 degrees Celsius of temperature and rainfall ranging from 30 to 70 centimeter. These conditions are favorable for the cotton crop. The growing season for cotton crop is 6 to 8 months. Frost damages the cotton crop. We know that in winter season or summer season we experience frost, jhakad, os, wall, where on the plant water droplets are formed. If it remains for a longer period, this cotton crop will be damaged. The states producing cotton in India are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, etc. As the farmers of Gujarat have accepted BT cotton seed, Gujarat is standing first in India in area sown, in production and the quality of cotton. In our Gujarat state, cotton is grown more in the districts of Surendranagar, Rajkot, Vadodara, Ahmedabad, Sabarkantha, Mehsana, Botad, Bharuch, Kheda, Surat, Panchmahal, Amreli, Bhavnagar, Patan, Junagadh and Jamnagar district. The Kanam region, that is in Gujarat, is very famous for the cotton production. We can see in the map of India, brown color shows the jute crop in which state it is taken. In green color, sugar cane is shown, and in pink color, cotton crop is grown. So, try to become clear with the map details. Sugar cane, sherry. It is also a cash crop and a major crop grown in India, and maximum sugar cane is sown in India in the world. We are ranking second after Brazil. Sugar, gur, khandsari and ethanol are produced out of sugar cane. The requirement: black fertile soil, alluvial lava soil is required. Also hot and humid climate is required. The temperature should be ranging between 21 to 27 degrees Celsius, and the rainfall between 75 to 100 centimeter rainfall is very important for sugarcane crop. Uttar Pradesh is topping in the net area sown, but the leading state in India is Maharashtra. South Gujarat and Saurashtra also are producing more sugarcane in Gujarat. Students, sugarcane is also grown in South India. Compared to the crop of sugarcane of North India and South India, we are able to grow more sugarcane in North India, but the sweetness of South Indian sugarcane is very nice. Jute. India produces maximum jute in the world. The jute fiber is called golden fiber. Jute cloth, gunny bags, kothada, mattresses, ropes, bags, footwears, handicrafts are prepared from jute. શણ જેને કહેવાય. India has a strong competition from Bangladesh because in Bangladesh there is cheap labor available in the jute industry. This jute crop is requiring fertile soil of the delta region where the new sediments are deposited every year. As we saw in the earlier chapter that on the delta of river Ganga and Brahmaputra, this area is flooded twice in a year, so this soil is very fertile for the jute production. Hot and humid climate area we can cultivate jute. We need temperature between 30 to 40 degrees Celsius and rainfall more than 100 centimeter. We are growing jute more in the delta region of the Ganga, especially states of West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Orissa and Uttar Pradesh. Tobacco or tobacco, which is injurious for the health, we are able to prepare from tobacco cigarettes, BDs, also we use in pan and gutkas and mawa. But this is very, very injurious or dangerous for human health. So we should not consume it, mind well, and not make an addiction. Tobacco is a kharif crop. The requirements are sandy, loamy soil, temperature 20 degrees Celsius and rainfall 100 centimeter is very suitable for tobacco cultivation.